So I think anything that's going to have longevity and the opportunity to be successful has to have a strong foundation. So I credit some of this back to TU, where I got my finance degree, and that foundation that was built with a strong academic background. And then from there, I was able to go out and do different things in the corporate world, as well as go on to graduate school and get my MBA. So all of those together with life experiences around traveling and just meeting different people, and also realizing that there's got to be more than just the constant pursuit of self-achievement, all led into the desire and then the actual execution of creating GIFT. It stands for Global Fair Trade Treasures, and the goal is to help certified fair trade companies, primarily owned by women, that hire women artisans in their neck of the woods in the world, whether it's Africa or South America. Identify, again, certified fair trade entities, work with them to create unique, beautiful, luxurious items, and then sell them to both retail and wholesale. And then locally, the mission in Tulsa is, as GIFT grows, I will have the opportunity to hire women in recovery, women coming out of incarceration, and then single mothers on welfare, as a way to give them an opportunity to continue progressing, with their future, and hopefully a very positive and growth-minded opportunity. I realized several years ago that there was something missing, but I wasn't able to put it into words in terms of what it was. It was a combination of just this gaping hole in my soul, and also a restlessness, but also a numbness. And overlay that with some things that I had done in North Tulsa and some volunteer trips to Africa, and putting it all together and being able to articulate that I wanted to make a difference. There had to be something more than just constantly going after the next promotion, the next title, the next pay raise, and being able to put this all together to make a difference, to make an impact. That is where it came from, and that is where I'm going, is to truly change people's lives, not just here locally, but also around the world. I've been very fortunate, and I was looking at it as a way to not just continue to help some of these workshops that I was working with overseas, but also a way to give back to the University of Tulsa. So I approached the weaving company, and I asked them if they would be willing to create a custom scarf for TU, and the condition that a certain percentage of the sales would go to the First Lady Emergency Fund for students in crisis. So we came together and tweaked the blue that they had in their color palette and created the TU blue and the TU red, and now we have this beautiful gold and TU red scarf that we will be marketing to current students and alumni, with a certain percentage of sales going to the First Lady Emergency Fund.